How to search on Facebook without Meta AI. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to search on Facebook without Meta AI. Meta AI can sometimes be a bit intrusive in the Facebook app. It can suggest things you might not be interested in and clutter your search results. So to search on Facebook without Meta AI, first, open your phone settings. Scroll down till you see Apps or Application, then tap on it. Tap Manage Apps. Scroll down till you find Facebook, your list of apps, and tap on it. Now tap on Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Tap on Clear Data, then tap on Clear Cache, confirm by taping OK. Now go back and open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook Lite. Install the Facebook Lite app on your device. Once installed, tap Open. Now log into your Facebook account using your username and password. Now you're on the Facebook Lite interface. The search bar at the top works just like the Facebook app. Type in your search term and hit Enter. Now you can search for users, hashtags, locations, and anything else your heart desires, all without Meta AI's influence. With these simple steps, you can easily search on Facebook without Meta AI. And this is how to search on Facebook without Meta AI. If you have any questions about Meta AI, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.